I'm so much excited to try this laboratory and thankful because it offers hands-on experience with forensic techniques and equipment such as firearms, fingerprints, lie detector, and so on. From this laboratory, I expect to gain my skills in hobby, knowledge, and also on how to collect evidence by using equipment. These skills will help me in my criminology journey by providing a deeper understanding of the scientific aspects of crime investigation. In my future career, these skills will effectively contribute crime scene investigation, forensic analysis, and solving complex cases, ultimately making a positive impact in the field of law enforcement. That's all, and thank you for watching my vlog. Have a great day ahead.